This is the disappointed homeowner who got screwed by a local contractor who dropped the pool and the equipment for her without giving any knowledge what to do with that, and I'll show you guys and help her how to clean this cartridge filter. For this video we have Hayward cartridge filter. If you have different brand, look up at your manual, but the tendencies should be about the same. Not just the water in the pool was green and the pool looked like swamp, but also the pump was losing prime and was stopping to run the water, which was an indicator that cartridges are dirty, causing resistance to flow of the water through them, stopping pump operation. Checking pressure gauge, I didn't see the pressure black arrow reaching red one, which is supposed to be a sign that you need to clean or replace cartridges, but looking ahead I'll say, who knows, is it accurate information based on how green and red arrows were lined up. So first of all, you need to shut off your pump, either flipping breakers or putting off on pool timer or both. I prefer to get everything off. Shut off the valves responsible for running the water to the pump. Usually vertical position of valve is on, so you need to put in horizontal, which is off. Manual air relief valve on your filter tank should be placed in the open position to let the air out. Remove filter drain plug on the bottom of the tank to drain the water from the filter. Using 3/4 wrench or hex sockets, loosen and remove the clamp nut and the bolt from the clamp in the middle of filter. I used adjustable wrench. Holding both ends of clamp, carefully spread ends and remove the clamp. If it's too tight, it's not advised, but you might need to use some tool to push ends away from each other. But do not strike the clamp with metal tools as you can damage it. Lift off upper filter body. Don't do it by grabbing pressure gauge. Remove small mesh cap and the top manifold. Now you can remove cartridge elements. For cleaning, I picked up spray in Lowe's Aqua EZ cartridge and diatomaceous earth filter cleaner. Do good job and spray all of the cartridges throughout, trying to penetrate liquid in spray as deep between cartridge layers as you can. Let it soak for at least 10 minutes. In the meantime, vacuum with shop vac or rinse with water filter tank and bottom manifold. Make sure there is no dirt or sand anywhere, because it's just gonna go back to your cartridges right away, so why don't get rid of it now? Important: pull out O-ring seal and wash it and wipe out. The same with filter part where you put O-ring on. Make sure it's nice and clean, it's your sealant. If you don't do it, you potentially might have water leaking after reinstalling everything. After cartridges soaked in cleaner, spray them with water hose. You will see how the dirt is getting removed and cartridges start looking clean white and almost like brand new. Reinstall bottom manifold, O-ring seal, and start putting cartridges one by one. Place top manifold securely on top of cartridges, aligning the return pipe with the port in the manifold. Don't forget to put small mesh cup. Put upper filter body, centering with bottom one, making sure it's perfectly over the O-ring seal. Press down. Put filter clamp over upper and lower bodies and squeeze the ends. Insert the clamp bolt through the clamp ends and thread the clamp nut with rounded end towards the ends of the clamp. Never rely on hand tightening. Use the socket or wrench. Close air relief valve and screw back drain cap. Important: Open valves to let the water to be ready to flow, and just then you can turn the pump on. Your filter gonna start getting filled in with the water. Also important, you need to calibrate your pressure gauge when cartridges are brand new. In my case, I calibrated with current conditions of cartridges, aligning black arrow showing pressure with green one. And as you can see, previous calibration was off and didn't reflect the status of how dirty are the cartridges. Remember, you need to clean cartridges when black arrow reaches the red one on clock face. With proper chemicals cleaned, cartridges change the look of entire pool just within 24 hours. And very soon the homeowner will forget about nightmare of dealing with not reliable contractor, but will be remembering great experience of meeting Sergii.
Never thought I'd see the day. But it's practically clean.